welcome to video sponsored by my broke ass. Well, I'm pretty sure you guessed it by the title of the video. That's right, a day late, but I got myself the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Sorry, Pro. And this is not the phone that I wanted, by the way. A little story time. I actually, on the 12th of September, I pre-ordered the deep blue version Pro Max at Switch. And well, let's say the order got messed up and they presented me with a 256 Pro instead, and I was like, nah. So I left. And then I did a little bit of thinking. I was gonna sell the 16 Pro Max that I had. Solid phone. No sane person would trade this in to this year's. But I love tech. I love tech, and I just want to experience it. So that's why I decided to do it. So I was just gonna buy the new one, sell this for at least 4 to 5K within that range, and it'll cover the price. But you know what? I thought to myself, I don't have a secondary phone. I sold the 16. So why not do a little bit of something? So I was just gonna buy this, pay for this, and then get the Pro Max when it comes. Not trade this in, sell this for a higher price. Basically having the Pro Max as my main phone and this as my camera setup. Any shots that you're gonna see on this channel will come from this guy right here with the Pro Max as well. So anyway, on with the video. I'm gonna put like a little chapter things you can skip if you don't want to listen to my little rant. But here it is, the 17 Pro in orange, which people have said is super ugly. Honestly, I don't mind it. It's kind of growing on me. It grew on me as time went by. So yeah. Okay. I mean, come on. In camera it kind of looks a little bit pale and different. Look at that. Oh. Yeah, I noticed one thing in YouTube videos. The glass panel looks a bit different in real life. Like it looks a bit washed out through this camera and most cameras in YouTube. But in person is a little bit more darker. Now, I think people would have loved this if the orange was much more darker, but oh well. Anyway, unboxing. I'm not going to do an unboxing experience because there's nothing to unbox. This is all you get. Same as always. Nothing different. The microphone is right here. Hold on. Not sure if that picked it up, but hey. I should have gotten a screen protector. That was dumb of me. Well, any company want to sponsor? Well, I'm right here. Honestly, from the front, it looks nice with the dual tone and all black. With the, it feels nice in the hand. I mean, like I'm so used to the Pro Max. This huge chungus. It fits in my hand, but it's nice to get something smaller. So there's that. So design wise, people have said that they do not like this new design, this huge plateau, the two-tone look, the orange. But honestly, I like it. Now, one reason why this design mainly is not really just for aesthetics, by the way, this has a purpose. So previously in your old iPhones, the back, this is separate from the sides. You can kind of see it. I'm not sure the side panel, as you can kind of see over here. So it's a little bit of a sharp little edge. But for this guy, everything is a unibody, like Apple has mentioned. It's pretty much a unibody, as you can kind of see. Like it's fleshed out, like everything is connected together, and the design is different. So that's why there's this little glass piece. They went from titanium to aluminum. So there's that, and they had to put this glass back for MagSafe purposes. So yeah. So let's turn it on. So they said that they've improved the reflectiveness of the phone. Hold on, let me close this. I mean, oh, this is really dirty. Okay, nope, nope. I mean, kind of. I guess if you compare with the Samsung's gonna be. But see, this one you can kind of see the light bar is a lot more slimmer. This one's like it's bleeding out a little bit on 16 Pro Max, so they've improved on that. But still, I'm pretty sure Samsung's is way better. Screen looks amazing, by the way. So there's that. Let me set this up, and I'll be right back. Right, another thing that I note about this phone is the fact that it's way more comfortable to hold. I know, yeah, this is a bigger phone, but I'm like trying to focus on the edges, and this feels a lot better. Like it's less painful, if you want to say so. But yeah, so I got myself the new silicone cases, which I think looks. I got it for $80, so that's cool. If I use like a certain bank card, it gives an amount off for your accessory. So I just picked this. So $80 compared to the 200 something. So this is the old one for the 16 Pro Max, and there is a little bit of difference. I like the silicone, but it's just that it does succumb to some wear and tear, if you can kind of see it over here. Yeah. Not great, but still better than a lot of silicone cases I've tried. Let's see how it looks like in a black case. I mean, it's thick. Yeah, another thing to note, this thing is thicker. Way thicker than this guy right here. I mean, okay, let me just show you with the case. I mean, look at that. Look at the chungus that... It's a chungus. It's not counting the plateau, by the way, so, yeah. Looks nice with the black accent, I mean. I like it. I like it a lot. Aesthetically pleasing. Aesthetics wise, I don't mind it. People complain about it, but I don't mind it. So yeah. Also, another thing about the plateau thing. Well, previously on iPhones, there are a little island over here that's just mainly glass, and it's there to, in a way, protect the camera lens. That's it. Whereas this thing on the Pros, they serve a function alongside with the Air. Basically, they've redesigned the interior of the phone. So they've got a new unibody design, plus most of the phone, the entire, even including the chip, sits right here. So previously, it's usually like on the left and then on the top, or on this side and the top, or just the side. But now everything is on this side. So that's an engineering marvel right there. So basically, everything down here, battery. So yes, battery life has improved according to Apple. I will be testing that alongside the Pro Max when it arrives. God knows when. But yeah, another thing that I'm really more interested is the cameras, and so there's all kinds of settings that I need to go through. So yeah, HDR, action mode, low light, spatial audio, fusion camera. So yeah, right now all this are now 48 megapixels, so that's pretty cool. Again, I'm not gonna test it in this video, but you will see it eventually. I'll make a proper full-fledged review. This is just like a first impression sort of thing, and so far I dig it. It's nice. It's lovely. So yeah, this won't be my main phone. The Pro Max will be my main phone. This will just be like a secondary phone essentially. So yeah. So yeah, that's all I can do for today. Thank you guys for watching. Do subscribe if you want to see more videos on the 16 and 16 Pro Max eventually. There'll be a lot of companies to sending me cases, so that's one thing to keep out on. And also, yeah, please do subscribe because it will help me out a lot to make videos like this. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.